Hello, Matt Tilley, the British bloke, a realtor here in LA. Today I'm going to be doing a map tour of Santa Monica, population 90,000, and often voted the #1 place in California to live. So because of that, I kind of wanted to show you the area. So let me get the pen here. As we can see, this is LA. Here is Santa Monica right here. You're about 25 miles from downtown LA. You've got Hollywood right here, Beverly Hills, and Santa Monica borders the amazing towns of Brentwood, Pacific Palisades, where all the celebs are. Then you've got Venice Beach down here, and probably my favorite affordable town in the whole of LA County, Culver City. So what does Santa Monica have to offer? If you listen to locals here, it's often Santa Monica on the west side, Los Feliz on the east side, which is the best place to live. Santa Monica full of a lot of young professionals, very hip and trendy. So let's kind of dive in and see what it's all about. Santa Monica is kind of divided up into different locations, so it's easy to kind of do a tour, talk about the areas, so you get a little bit more information. So you've got north of Montana. That's where all the expensive homes are. Obviously, it's near the Palisades. It's near Brentwood. So north of Montana right here, near Brentwood, near the Palisades. So you know it's going to be expensive. To move into this area, you need at least $5 million. There's a home right now in this neighborhood on the market for $69 million. So you can see how expensive it is. Bigger lots, and because of that, bigger price points. Here you've got Wilshire, Montana, and this is kind of the condo living. Yeah, there's a few single family homes, but there is a lot of condos. You can buy a one-bedroom condo for about $600,000, all the way up to $6 million if you're by the water right here. But if you're looking to live in Santa Monica and not break the bank, you can get a nice 2-bed, 2-bath condo for about $1.5 million. And when the average price of Santa Monica for a 3-bed, 2-bath home and bigger is about $3.5 million, which is it's huge. It's gone up so much in the last couple of years. 1.5 million sounds like a lot, but to live in Santa Monica in a nice neighborhood like Wilshire, Montana, close to the beaches, you've got the farmers market, great walkability, $1.5 million, to be honest, isn't that bad. Then you've got Mid-City. This is priced even more favorably. 2-bed, 1-bath, 2-bed, 2-bath. You can get for about $1 million a condo. Not many single family homes in this neighborhood. But if you're looking to move into Santa Monica, your budget's about $1 million. Take a look at Mid-City. You can definitely get something for that kind of money. And then you've got the Pico neighborhood right here. And this is like the most affordable neighborhood in Santa Monica. You can buy single family homes, 3-bed, 2-bath for about $2 million. Like I said, it's a lot of money. But when you're looking to live in Santa Monica, this is probably your most affordable neighborhood. You've got the college right there. You can get 2-bed, 2-bath condos for about $800,000. So it's not a bad entry point. So why is Santa Monica so highly thought of? #1, it's one of the few towns or areas of LA County that you don't really need a car. You can live, you can work, you can wine and dine in Santa Monica. You don't really need to leave, and they make it super accessible for bikes, for the electric scooters right now. You see them everywhere. So if you live in Santa Monica, you can really not leave if you don't want to. You live in Silver Lake, Los Feliz, other parts of LA. You probably don't work in that neighborhood. And if you need to go to malls or you need to go shopping, you need to leave these neighborhoods. If you live in Santa Monica, everything is there for you. Obviously, you've got the beautiful beaches right here. You've got the promenade with all the shopping. And if you have friends who live on the east side, who live in Hollywood, they're going to come and visit you. There are a lot of tourists in Santa Monica. Obviously, you've got the pier. You've got these world-class beaches. And it draws in tourists from around the world. If you don't want to have any tourists bugging you, well, Pacific Palisades is a great spot to live. However, it's probably $2-3 million to live in that neighborhood. Santa Monica is a very healthy neighborhood, a young crowd. I think it was voted niche.com the 4th best place in California for young professionals. And if you are looking to get around, the freeways, getting in and out of Santa Monica, to be honest, is a bit of a nightmare, especially around rush hour. Pretty much any part of the day, it's not the best. Parking is not the best. But if you are looking to get out, obviously you've got a lot of freeways. You've got the 405 to go north. You've got the 405 to go south. Obviously, you've got the LAX airport right here, which is unbelievable if you need to travel a lot. Santa Monica also has its own airport. But you've got the 10 if you need to go to downtown LA. You've got the 2 if you need to go to Beverly Hills or West Hollywood. So in terms of freeways, you're pretty much covered. But like I said, don't plan on living in Santa Monica and working downtown or working in Hollywood. Yes, you can, but you're looking at an hour commute probably each way every day. And I wouldn't recommend it. And if you're going to Santa Monica to live, you're paying a premium because of these great beaches, so you better like beach life. If you have a young family, they're going to really enjoy the pier and the attractions and the amusements and everything it has to offer. You've got a whole array of hotels here as well if you do have friends or family coming into town. World-class restaurants and bars. It's just a great vibe. Yes, it is a touristy town. People come to California, they do stay in Santa Monica, but it also is a great neighborhood. It's about 70% renters, which is huge because it is a young crowd. They often can't afford the high prices to buy. For example, if you go to Brentwood or the Palisades, it's probably a 70% ownership, while here in Santa Monica, it's a 70% renters. Just because, like I said, it's a young crowd getting their bearings, starting off in the world, and they just can't afford the $2-4 million that it does cost to buy in. Super family orientated, great schools. Wherever there's money, obviously there's good schools. Santa Monica is known for its schools, known for its community. Do people live in Santa Monica forever? Probably not. It's a place they either go there when they're young, when they move to LA because they want to live in Santa Monica and then move to other locations when they have a family, or it's very successful people live somewhere else when they're in their 40s with their young families. They move to Santa Monica and live in these beautiful neighborhoods and pay the big bucks in order to get the great standard of living. I recently did a video on Santa Monica. I've walked Santa Monica, so go check that out. You'll be able to see me walking down the streets, the beaches, and get a real first-hand look at it. But yeah, so here's Santa Monica. If you're wondering where it is, here's Malibu. Here's downtown LA. Here's the east side, Pasadena, Glendale. It's a lot hotter than Santa Monica. That's what's great about being by the beach, about 15 degrees cooler. Here's the South Bay, Manhattan Beach, Redondo Beach, Torrance and Hermosa Beach, Long Beach. Here's Anaheim and the OC, Huntington Beach, Irvine. Obviously, you're close to LAX as well, which is unbelievable. So, yeah, the location of Santa Monica, yeah, you're kind of in the middle of the nowhere, but people like that, and it's a great place to live. I'm Matt Tilley, the British bloke. If you are looking to move to anywhere in LA, give me a call, shoot me a text. I love helping people either move into California from another state or help you move from another neighborhood in LA. You can find my description below, and hope to see you in another video.